10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic will be Solved Online legislation updates for business solutions and Statutes of Aliens Act 1914 summary. It will be 15 minutes program, and at the end there will be dictionary, which is to show the root meaning of words in law for business solutions. Also, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yeah, also giveaway in the future like online books, seminar, lecture, articles, and like I say, we provide tutorials, we provide solutions, discoveries, documents, proof, show demonstrations, direction, instruction, and accuracy and correction. Yeah, also, again, let's get to that 1,000 subscribers to start that online webinar, seminar, tutorial to teach everyone how to research like a barrister, solicitor, and lawyer. So, that is said. So now we're gonna go over to legislation.gov.uk, and like how I missed certain things yesterday because of some technical difficulties, I will have to go and review those acts or statutes or legislations again. So we're gonna do this comment again. Monica Taylor again. Grand Monday online. So on Solutions, the best place for knowledge. No, that Monday was yesterday. Tuesday. Big up. Don't know. Like I say that because like I say the act that was for Monday, but this like I say because of certain things. Yeah, no problem. Yes. Yeah, through to Tuesday, so that's what it is. Yeah, I appreciate for passing through. Like I say now, we're gonna go over to the first screen. Now we're gonna share, and you know the place to be is legislation.gov.uk. So legislation.gov.uk. So before I do that, I'm gonna do something else. Share the link again. So again, just actually continue promoting the king's business, because that's the only way we shall survive, by again being the king's men, king's women, within a business. Because again, when you do the king's work, you get all of your privilege and rights. So again, legislation.gov.uk. Then we're gonna go to home page. They're gonna check all the legislation that's happening today. So let's go and check it. It shows you legislation published recently, and there's one. Before we're gonna go into that, just click, and I'm gonna go to the 17th of August just to go over the past ones. And there is 4 statutory instruments for yesterday. So this is how it goes. It goes the air navigation, restriction of flying, Stonehaven, Emergency Revocation Regulations 2020. I have the next one, the Air Navigation Restriction of Flying Stonehaven Emergency Amendment Regulations 2020. I have the next one, the Air Navigation Restriction of Flying Stonehaven Emergency Regulations 2020. And you also have the Offshore Chemicals and Offshore Petroleum Activities, Oil Pollution Prevention and Control Coronavirus Amendment Regulations 2020. So that was for yesterday, and now we're just gonna, like I say, forward and go to today. So I'm just gonna go back. Number one again, yeah. So again, for today's one, again for today's parliamentary business that is affecting our life, we have the Health Protection Coronavirus Restrictions Leicester number 2 Amendment Regulations 2020. So this is what's going on in Leicester. So you can click there. Anyone that's in Leicester, you pass on the information so that they can see what's going on. Yeah. So you don't know when that is all set. You know everything. You know for every up-to-date situation must what? Yeah, so that's what it is. And then, when it connect everyone up to the time. All right, up to the time. So right now, we're just going to get into that summary. So you don't know what, after everything, everybody should be
Good to go.
all right, good to go. So now, I like, everyone to just what? All right, let's hear this one. We're going to go to the act right there. So you type in, because I did it already yesterday. So British nationality, and it's based on the British nationality, but it has its own again title. Again, it's a UK Public General Act. So then I just click this. As you can see, this is how you search. When title bar, press search, and you get the result. Again, Statutes of Aliens Act 1914, and 1914 is the World War. So yes, World War going on. So that's the time. Emergency Act, like just what's going on now. Lots of shifting, changing. A lot of jurisdictions being overturned and so forth. So it's hard to again function in war. Because like I say, war, the business of war is demolition, to destruct and to rebuild. That's what demolition is. And there's a lot of collateral properties, things that again get charged. So this is really what it's all about. And there's a big difference between again British subject and British national. Subject there's a difference, because there's national. When you have national subject, that means you're in the Royal House of Windsor. You're a resident. So this is what it is. And like I said, there's a lot of breakdown. So from all the acts to now, like I say, we're here in the 1914. So we're getting closer to the present day. So as you can see again, it states Statutes of Aliens Act 1914, and it says an act to consolidate and amend the enactment relating to British nationality and the Statute of Aliens. Like I say again, it's consolidate and amend. So they're going to put things together. So it has to be clear when you're putting things together. You have to have a detail of what has passed, so you don't get put in the wrong jurisdiction. And again, this has put a lot of individual in the wrong jurisdiction. And this is the outcome today. With the Windrush generation not really getting their full rights and privilege. It's based on mostly this act, all the preceding act that takes place up to here, because now it's all disruption. Business is, like I say, another office business is taking place to gain finance, to gain property. So as you can see, obviously we're gonna get down to this act. So there's a modification in the act, and it's a statute law revision act 1948. If you know that date, you know that is a very important date. And there's also a textual amendment. This is for part one of the aliens, the Status of Aliens Act 1914. It goes again also British Nationality Act 1948. Again, it's textually amended, so that British Nationality Act 1948 again repeal all of that part one, and also all the section is in there. So the sections, it repeals these sections, and also applying for part two, the same British Nationality Act 1948, and again part three for general. But these are the things that really sticks out for this act, and it's again the capacity of aliens as to property. So this is important. So again, aliens may be again allies that come from another country, but again they are serving in an army or such forth, and again they are aliens because they're born in a foreign land. Yeah, but again, because of the property now, as the property, so like I say, just as the property, you know, when it comes to, that's why it all breaks down the business, legalization, we all become a property of the actual crown, not again as, national, like natural, subject, but it's more different. So again, it can all change for everyone when you become a actual property, a document. So again, it shows you real and personal property of every description may be taken, acquired, held, and disposed of by an alien in the same manner in all respect as by a British subject, and a title to real or personal property of every description may be derived through, from, or in succession to an alien in the same manner in all respect as from, or through, from, or in succession to a British subject. So like I say, just because based on property, I said everything can, be transferred. So again, they're doing again transfer. So it goes provided that this section shall not operate so as to, they're giving you a leeway where you have to abide like a prohibition not to do something like so. Again, it shows you one, confer any rights on an alien to hold real estate situated out of the United Kingdom, or two, qualified an alien for any office or for any municipal, parliamentary, or other franchise, or three, qualify an alien to be the owner of a British ship, or four, entitle an alien to any right or privilege as a British subject, except such right and privilege in respect of property as are hereby expressly given to him, or five, affect any estate or interest in real or personal property to which any person has or may become entitled either immediately or immediately in possession, or expectancy in pursuance of any disposition made before the 25th date of May 1870, or in pursuant of any devolution by law under the death of any person dying before that date. So this one I show you, but as you can see, number four, like it's based on whether they control, they can subscribe, to an alien the same rights and privilege, but it's like whoever's in control. So that's why when it comes to ownership, and But this is even more to give a more better understand to show that alien do not have the same right, because to own a British ship, meaning like having British passport and such thing. British ship is very important. It's like a British company. You can't really own it. So an alien not supposed to be running a British company. That's why there's certain acts which is gonna come up to really add to this. So as you can see now, same the textual amendment is also for British Nationality Act 1948, and also again it goes trial of alien, and alien shall be triable in the same manner as if he were a British subject. So all the textual amendments, most of the textual amendments is for British Nationality Act 1948. So we're gonna get into that. Like I say, definitions in this act, unless the context otherwise requires. The expression alien means a person who is not a British subject. Yeah, so as you can see, and again, this act may be cited as the status of British nation, the status of Alien Act 1914. So yeah, just moving on quick. So yeah, so that's really it. Like I said, we're gonna go over to the last, which is again the dictionary, just to show the root meaning, and close. So, and then we're gonna continue next week. So we're just gonna go and just bring this one up just to close. Let me just get it. Where is this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, now I got it. Sometimes the text be all over the place. Okay, there we go. So again, alien, a foreigner, one born abroad, a person who owes allegiance to a foreign government. So as you can see, straight there, it shows you, just to read the next line down. In this country is a person born outside the United States and unnaturalized under our constitution and law. So just showing you, just giving you the definition of what alien is, but it should be clear. Again, so that's what it is for alien. So as you can see now, well, do it again. So I just want to get it clear. So like I say, alien, a foreigner, one born abroad, a person who owes allegiance to a foreign government, and it shows you in the country is a person born out of the United States and unnaturalized under our constitution and law. So that's just giving you like I say, the rundown of what it means. So like you have it there, like I said for today, like I said, just catching up with what we were supposed to do yesterday, and we're gonna, like I say, continue with the program. So again, this is Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels. And today's topic was Solved Online legislation updates for business solutions and statutes of Aliens Act 1914 summary. Yes, Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto: Solved Online knows that there is no business like the King's business. Give thanks and praise and appreciation, and I will see you on the next program. Out.